top news headlines. Supreme Court asks Centre to reply to 144 petition challenging CAA. Supreme Court must rule in favor of Assam, demand Goha University students. And coronavirus that has killed 9 could be mutating, adapting, says China. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA now giving you the news in details. The Supreme Court today granted 4-week time to the Centre to reply to the 144th petition challenging the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act or CAA. While most of the petition challenge the constitutional validity of CAA, some of them seek a declaration that the Act is constitutional. The Apex Court also ordered that High Court should not take up cases on CAA. As the hearing began, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal, appearing for the Centre, told the bench led by Chief Justice of India CJI Sharad Arvind Bobde that there are 140 odd petitions, but only 60 petitions have been served on union. He sought time to reply to the rest of them. Lawyer Kapil Sibal, representing a group of petitioners, said that the matter should be heard by constitutional bench. He also urged the court to direct Centre to put the process of granting citizenship on hold for 2-3 months till the Apex Court hears the matter. The Supreme Court is likely to send the matter to a constitution bench, a media report said. On the day when the Supreme Court is hearing a bunch of petitions challenging the controversial amendment of the citizenship law, students from Goha University have launched a protest within the university premises and set fire to the Jati on nationhood destroying law. The students launching into slogans against the ruling dispensation cautioned both Delhi and Dispur to be wary and added that they would not accept the CAA at any cost. The novel coronavirus that has killed 9 and infected around 440 people worldwide could be mutating, adapting, and could spread further, according to media reports. China now has confirmed 440 cases of the previously unknown strain of virus spread across 13 provinces, most of them located in the country's heavily populated in central, south, and eastern region. As per report, cases of the coronavirus from the same family as SARS have also been detected in Thailand, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and the US. Human-to-human transmission of the virus, which triggers a severe pneumonia, was confirmed by Chinese officials yesterday as experts continue to grapple with its source. More than 90% of the cases have been traced back to Wuhan and the seafood market. Two autonomous councils will be set up in Naga-inhabited areas of Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur as part of the Naga Peace Accord. The two autonomous councils will be created in the Naga-inhabited areas of the two neighboring states of Nagaland under the provisions of the 6th schedule of the Constitution, according to media reports. Apart from this, Nagaland would have one more Lok Sabha seat, and the government will take effective steps for the rehabilitation of the cadres of the rebel groups as part of the accord. The ongoing Naga peace process between the Centre and Naga rebel outfits, which was started in 1997, turned 23 this year. Ningal Club Hairok, the first ever women's club in Manipur, celebrated its second foundation day yesterday at Devi Mandap in Hairok, Part 2. Manipur State Commission for Child Rights MCPCR Chairperson Ningthaujam Sumatibala, Ningal Club Hairok President Khundongbam Sophia, and Thawal District Police Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha, activist Nonibala Narengbam, GADA President Hizam Priyokumar, SBI Thawal Branch Chief Manager K. Haukib, and SBI Thawal Branch Assistant Manager Dr. Maitram Uttam shared the days in the function. Elderly women of Hairok were presented with blankets to mark the occasion. At the event, Sumati Balaning Thaujam expressed concern over transportation of school children in overcrowded school vans, saying it is illegal. She appealed to the public to bring such matter to the notice of Ningol Club and the concerned authority.
Madugi haibam thoko authorities inga yamna fazana yamna bevarama gi makada yamna discipline amagi makada haiba kogi noina tongningi ba thabak singse madugi concerned authorities indu da ibirakpa aduga masigi pot singse sisudum government tawko ngaidana commission tawko ngaidana noi club amagi power se adumani yam fazana.
A 5-day-long training program on National Initiative for School Teachers had holistic advancement. Nishtha began at Diet Chandal on 20th of this month. The training program is organized by Diet Chandal under the aegis of State Council of Educational Research and Training, Manipur. Altogether, 140 teachers under Autonomous District Council, Chandal, are taking part in the program. United People's Revolutionary Front of Manipur, UPRFM, has called for a Manipur-wide 12-hour total shutdown on January 26 to boycott the upcoming 71st Republic Day celebration in the state. In a release, the outfit also informed that emergencies and religious events will be exempted from the purview of the dawn and thus shut down. Bishnupur District Police today organized an award distribution function at District Headquarters, Bishnupur. Police Community Liaison Group (PCLG), District Police, VDF, Band Unit and Traffic Slogan Boards were also launched at the event. DGP of Manipur Police LM Khaute, Additional Director General of Police HG VDF Christopher Dongal, Inspector General of Police Lun Shai Kibjan, Deputy Commissioner Bishnupur District Nita Rambam were among others who attended the program. Lamjing Educated Welfare Association Liwa, Thawal District extended monetary aid to one Wangkem Ajoy Singh, son of W. Ango Singh of Lamding, Kumantem Laikai, as a token of appreciation for his hard work. This was informed in a press release from Liwa today. Ajoy earns income by selling calendars from door to door in Imphal besides taking up other odd jobs. Mizoram government has asked the center to establish Delhi like All India Institute of Medical Sciences aims in Mizoram. According to media reports, State Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai met Union Home Minister Amit Saha and Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri and submitted memorandum in connection with key infrastructure projects in the state. The release said that Pillai had on Friday last discussed with the Home Minister about the proposal for setting up of AIIMS, Indian Institute of Management IIM and Indian Institute of Technology IIT in the hilly state. He asked the center to construct a cross-border road which will link South Mizoram, Luang Klai town with Bangladeshi capital Dhaka. In his memorandum, Pillai also sought assistance from the Union Home Ministry for expansion of National Highway 306 which linked Mizoram with Assam to 4-lane and early completion of the Indo-Bangladesh fencing work. Meghalaya celebrated the 48th anniversary of statehood day yesterday with cultural fanfares immersed in remnants of the Hill State movement that led up to the declaration of Meghalaya as a separate state in the year 1972. Traditional songs and dances marked the celebration at U Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong. On the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma stressed on the need to remember the glorious past, document it and pass it on to the younger generation. He said that slogans to die for the state should be replaced by slogans to live for the state and the nation by doing what needs to be done. The Chief Minister also gave away Meghalaya Day Award to state government employees. The Meghalaya Day celebration will continue till the Republic Day celebration. The Statehood Day was also celebrated in other district headquarters across Meghalaya. DelhiNCR woke up to a foggy day this morning with the minimum temperature dropping to 7 degrees Celsius, affecting flight and train operations. At least 22 trains are running late by several hours due to dense fog enveloping different parts of northern India, as per a report. Due to bad weather, flight operations at the New Delhi airport have also been affected, with over 30 departures delayed as visibility has dropped below 150 meters. The Republican-controlled U.S. Senate blocked yesterday's attempt of Democratic to obtain evidence and call a witness in President Donald Trump's impeachment trial, an early sign the proceeding could advance on lines favorable to Trump. According to media reports, Trump's chief legal defender described the case as the best last effort to overturn the 2016 election. Trump was impeached last month by Democratic-led House of Representatives on charges of abuse of power and obstruction of Congress, is accused of pressuring Ukraine to investigate former Democratic Vice President Joe Biden, a political rival, and then impending the inquiry into the matter. However, Trump denied any wrongdoing and described his impeachment as a persistent hoax to derail his 2020 re-election effort. Now we have the sports news. Maharashtra has managed to continue to occupy the top spot by bagging 75 gold, 69 silver and 94 bronze with 238 medals in total in the ongoing Khelo India Games at Guwahati. Haryana has won 58 gold, 54 silvers and 63 bronze medals, a total of 175 medals occupying the second spot. Delhi occupied the third spot with 114 medals in total. Manipur has so far bagged 12 gold, 17 silver and 17 bronze, occupying the 13th spot. Khelo India Youth Games, a part of the revamped national program for development of sports Khelo India, will conclude this evening with a gala closing ceremony at Sarusazai Stadium in Guwahati. The final matches of boxing, football and tennis will be played today. Swimming and weightlifting events will also be held. Ishant Sharma New Zealand tour is in jeopardy as the MRI scans on the fast bowler right ankle showed a grade 3 muscle tear. According to sources, with the injury is expected to take as many as 6 weeks to heal and the test exactly a month away, his hopes of playing the series is now in bleak. To the official word from BCCI is still awaited. The Delhi team management reckoned that India's senior-most passer would not be available for India's toughest outing, World Test Championship, as of now. Now we have the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Supreme Court nudges Parliament to rethink Speaker's disqualification powers. Decide on petitions within 4 weeks, says Supreme Court to Speaker. Naga Accord. 2 autonomous council in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur likely. R.K. Ranjan's statement continues to draw flags. Not an iota of truth, says Alliance of Socialist Unity Kanglei Park. The People's Chronicle. Supreme Court asks Speaker to decide Shyamkumar's fate. Supreme Court suggests judge-led tribunal on MP MLA disqualification. Congress backs Supreme Court proposal. Court summons 5 cops. Assam Rifles refutes charges leveled by women IPS officer. On detailed investigation, it has come to notice that allegedly Miss Anupam on official duty entered Myanmar illegally and bought suspicious and unidentified goods from across the border. Chief Minister assures legal action. Center to create 2 autonomous councils in Arunachal, Manipur. Imphal Free Press. A self-sufficient state, government's priority, says Chief Minister Biren. Action will be taken against erring AR rifleman. Assam Rifles refutes IPS officer's claim of harassment assault. Manipur remains a failed state even after 48 years of statehood. Student organizations condemn Dr. Ranjan's speech. Governor asserts concern over declining figure of state pony. Manipur Mail. Statehood Day celebrated. Chief Minister asks security personnel to treat people well. Supreme Court asks Speaker to take decision within 4 weeks in Shyamkumar's case. Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union files petition and Delhi High Court challenging new hostel manual. CBI registers case against 14 accused. for causing loss of rupees 3,592.48 crore to banks and conducts searches at 13 places.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Supreme Court urged Centre to reply to 144 petition challenging CAA. Supreme Court must rule in favor of Assam, demand Goha University students. And coronavirus that has killed 9 could be mutating, adapting, says China. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.